Hey, I'm Nadia Ray and welcome back to my channel after a 3-year-long break. So the reason is because I actually have another company. It's completely separate. It's in mental health, but it required a lot of my focus. It grew quite quickly. I went from managing just myself to managing an entire team, growing, scaling, all the things. If you would like me to do more content on business growth, while maintaining your sanity and your femininity, please let me know. I'm happy to talk and discuss these things a lot more. But I thought a great place to start would be my recent renovation. So I closed on my first property and I had everything done from scratch. Not the house building, I bought the house already, like it is, but the remodel from scratch. So I had all the kitchens ripped out, the bathrooms ripped out, and everything redone. So I'm also going to follow up with an A to Z of renovation for absolute beginners to demystify the process of how much things cost, working with good contractors, design, and all the things, like in a really simple, honest, transparent way. So I'm looking forward to doing a follow-up video there. But in the meantime, I have some incredible Amazon finds that I can't wait to share with you. And also, this is not complete yet. So this is definitely still a work in progress. So I'll definitely add more of these kind of videos as the house moves forward. And also the bathrooms, so I will show you those and the organization systems and all the amazing Amazon finds I got for that. I also just want to share that the content direction of this channel is going to change. So I'm going to definitely be still doing tablescapes and fun little event decor things, but I'm going to be incorporating more lifestyle things that have helped me transform my life from the inside out, emotionally, physically, spiritually, and just sharing more self-improvement techniques and helping you to determine what delightful living is for you. And in the process, I'll be determining that for myself and refining that. And I think it's a journey we can all go on together. My goal eventually is to simply connect more. I'd love to host events and have like a big banquet table, lots of delicious food, icebreakers, workshops where we can just learn so much about ourselves, those we love, ways to cherish and treasure ourselves at a very deep level, as well as those we love. So I'm really excited just to see where this goes, and I understand that I may get less views, I may get more views, but I'm going to be true to myself and just do the content that really aligns with my heart and where I'm at right now, because I've definitely grown a lot as a person. The version of me 3 years ago almost doesn't exist. The good aspects, of course, but so much I've kind of worked through, experienced. My business has challenged me and taught me so much. So I'm just really excited to share way more of the real me and be a bit more vulnerable, be a bit more open, while still incorporating the design and the event decor and the tablescaping and the DIYs that I know that you enjoy. So I'm really excited to be back, and let's get into the Amazon finds. And here's the beautiful TV stand. What I love the most is the rustic style wood. There's ample storage and it's also soft closing, so it will just kind of close all by itself, which is really nice. So I'm 5'2", and this is about the length of the sofa. It's plenty for me, but if you're tall, it might be a little short. I thought I'd take a moment to quickly show you pillow chopping. It's transformational. You literally just like plump up your pillows first. You keep it here, like press in these sides, and then you just chop, and it makes it just look so nice. These lights I absolutely adore, and there are 3 types of bulbs you can get. It took me a minute to know this, but you've got white bulbs, amber glass, and yellow soft. These are actually amber glass lights. So amber glass, and it gives this beautiful yellow effect, which I love because it's soft and warm. And here's a beautiful kitchen faucet. You've got your normal water, and it's got a setting for the waterfall style. It comes out really easily, you can clean up, and it just slots right back in. This is a magnetic double-sided knife. block, which I love, so you can put knives on both sides. I love the shape of it because you can really put it this way or you can put it vertically. It just depends on how you want your knives to show. The magnet is really strong, so it catches right away. And it will also catch scissors too, depending on what type of scissors they are, but it takes longer to catch, but it does catch, and then it might just slip a bit, but it does stay. Another thing that I love the most is it's got this section here, which is very useful. You can, of course, use it this side as well for the knives, but I bought these lovely half acacia wood, half marble chopping boards, and they actually fit perfectly. Two will fit here, like one here and one there. I just use one most of the time. They don't pick up a horrible smell, which is another thing that I adore. And then I just present them. And this is how I have my knife rack. So these oil dispensers are gorgeous. This really is as luxurious as it looks. It's very robust, it's heavy. I've got some rosemary and olive oil in there. What I love is that it's got this kind of automated thing going on where you pour, it comes out and then it automatically covers it back up. This one is from Marshall's, so it's a separate store here. This is a steal. So this comes with all of these gold pieces as well as this amazing holder. So useful. So it comes with all of that, which is very practical. And we also have some beautiful gold cutlery. This is a set of 49 pieces. So you've got your knives, teaspoons, tablespoons, pastry forks, dinner knives, and steak knives too. What I love about this set is that all the cutlery is very robust. It really is as gold as it looks, and it's beautiful. These canisters are absolutely gorgeous for tea, coffee and sugar. I've rested them on a piece of marble. This is from Marshall's. It was only $12.99. You can buy similar ones on Amazon, but they are more expensive. And this is truly my morning bliss. I absolutely love this tea and coffee station. So I actually decided to get these thermal glasses instead of mugs because you can just do more with it. Instead of buying mugs, this can also hold cold liquid and hot. I'm loving these bamboo drinking glasses. It just comes with a lid, then you've got your straw. And they're just a nice way, if you do juicing, this is amazing because you can just cover it and put it in the fridge. Yes, it will leave your straw exposed, but this is just for like excess juice that you can't drink. It's very practical. These light covers are amazing. Just be mindful of the material. They're all stainless steel, but this one, as you can see, doesn't catch my fingerprints. Whereas this material, which is a bit annoying, it does catch your fingerprints more easily, so you will need to clean it more often. It's a bit annoying, but it still is a lot prettier than the other light switch. I really enjoyed showing you my Amazon finds, and as I mentioned, the last 3 years I have grown and developed so much as a person, and I just can't wait to share really deep, meaningful, transformational things that I've learned along the way in defining what delightful living is for me, and hopefully you can do the same for you. My goal is really to share very openly so that you're able to truly, at a very deep level, treasure yourself as well as treasuring those around you. One of the biggest things that I've learned is family, friends, and your connections are everything. They really are everything. I believe that is a huge kind of purpose, incentive. It gives depth, texture, meaning, richness to our lives. Before I was so focused on stability and financial goals, and it's really interesting because it's paradoxical that when I achieved the things that I really wanted through the business, I still had a sense of emptiness and kind of feeling that same drive to, okay, but I need more, I need to get more, and I still don't feel safe. I've since learned to completely slow down, and I've reversed my lifestyle. So I used to be very go, go, go. I need to get things done, long to-do lists, constantly doing. I have a lot of time in my calendar now. I cherish my time. It's very open. I'm putting family and my connections first. I'm really showing up for those in my life in a way where I can be very proud of myself and happy with how I'm showing up in the world. And my biggest goal is just to create a beautiful sense of home, create peace and serenity in the home. And eventually when I do have a family of my own, I just can't wait to nurture them. And I'm going to be doing content along those lines too. So I'm just really excited to take you along the journey with me. I'm more than happy to share the more practical aspect of, for example, business growth and scaling things with your, like I said, femininity and your sanity intact. If that's content you're interested in, definitely let me know. And I'm just really excited to continue this journey in a much more kind of deep and meaningful way. And thank you so much for watching this video.